Today we are going to make sarson ka saag, a traditional North Indian Punjabi dish. To make Punjabi Sarson ka Saag, we'll need 3 leafy vegetables. This is bathu or chenopodium album. This is 250 grams. Then we have 500 grams of palak or spinach, and we have 1 kg of Sarson ka Saag or mustard leaves. This is the ratio that has to be adhered to. So first we'll clean the bathu. We'll remove the stems and just keep the leaves. This way we'll just separate out the leaves, retain them, and discard the stems. This is how the bathu looks. We separate out all the leaves, and like I said, we'll discard the stem. And once we have separated the leaves, we'll roughly chop them or cut them. We'll keep aside the chopped bathu. And now similarly, we'll remove the stems from the palak leaves and chop the palak or the spinach as well. So we'll just take the leaves and discard the stems and chop them as before. So we are done chopping or cutting the palak or the spinach, and now we'll chop the sarso or the mustard leaves. And now we come to the sarso or the mustard leaves. As before, as with the palak, we'll discard the leaf stalks and chop the leaves roughly. So this is how we chop the sarso or the mustard leaves. We have chopped all the leafy vegetables, and now we are going to wash them thoroughly under running water and put them in a pressure cooker. And now we are going to boil them. But before we boil the saag or the leafy vegetables, we'll add the green chillies and the heeng or the asafoetida. The asafoetida or the heeng which we have is granular. We'll add about 7 to 8 granules. If you have powder, you add 1/4 of a teaspoon of this powder. Apart from this, we are going to add an optional ingredient to make the saag sweeter, that is gur or jaggery. About 30 grams or 40 grams of jaggery. You can avoid this if you don't want a sweeter saag. Besides this, finally we are going to add 1 liter of water, since we need to boil this. And we'll close the cooker and let it come to the first whistle. We'll keep it on high heat, and at the first whistle we'll reduce the gas to low or sim and let it cook or boil for exactly 45 minutes. That's it, 45 minutes after the whistle. So there the whistle has gone off. We'll reduce the gas to low now there and keep it for exactly 45 minutes. After that we'll put off the gas. 45 minutes are over. We'll close the gas and let the cooker cool down completely. The cooker has cooled down. We'll open it, and now we need to puree these boiled vegetables. But before we puree them, we'll be adding a fistful of makki kata or maize flour. So in goes a fistful of makki kata. It's called maize flour here. You can call it cornmeal as well. And now we're going to puree these boiled vegetables. So here is the puree of the boiled vegetables, or the saag as we call it. We're going to boil it till the water reduces to almost half of what it is now. You can also boil the water later on, but this will make the process faster when we are preparing the saag. And here are the ingredients for making the saag. This is the puree that has been just boiled to remove most of the water. Then we have desi ghee, 4 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1.5 tablespoons of grated garlic, 1 chopped onion, and an optional ingredient, red chili powder, 1/4 to half a teaspoon. You can add if you wish to, have a spicier saag, but we are not going to add it since we have already added 2 chopped green chilies. Apart from this, we'll need 1 teaspoon of salt. To start making the saag, we'll add ghee to the kadhai, let it melt and get hot, and then we'll add the chopped onions and roast them till they turn light pink. After that, we'll add the chopped garlic and ginger. The onions are roasted to a pink color. We'll add the chopped garlic and the chopped ginger and roast them till they turn a light brown color. Keep stirring continuously and also lower the heat to between medium and low. So the masala is all fried and roasted. We'll add the pureed saag. We'll stir it thoroughly. Keep the gas on full till this just starts to boil and cover with a lid so that the reducing water does not make the saag fly out. And once it starts boiling, we'll reduce the gas to low or sim. We'll add the salt now, however. Stir it well and then let it come to a boil. The saag has started boiling. We'll reduce the gas to low and cover this with a lid. At regular intervals, we'll lift the lid, stir the saag, and repeat this process till the saag is done, meaning the water has dried up. So our sarson ka saag is ready now, all done. This is the consistency you should aim for. So we'll transfer it to a serving bowl and garnish it with some homemade butter. So here's the dish of the day, sarson ka saag. It's a traditional Punjabi dish. Do try it and give us your feedback. Please share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a very nice day.